Want to turn off voicemail on your Tesco mobile phone? It's easier than you think. Tesco Mobile, which uses O2's network, allows you to disable voicemail by canceling call forwarding. This prevents unanswered calls from going to voicemail. There are two main methods, using USSD codes or the My Tesco mobile app. To disable via codes, dial for 2 and press call. This cancels all call forwarding, including voicemail. Alternatively, you can use 2021 to cancel unconditional forwarding, 61 for no reply, 62 for when busy, and 67 for when unreachable. If you prefer using the app, log into the My Tesco app, go to Manage Account, then Call Settings, and toggle voicemail off. These methods are free and work on GSM networks, provided you have an active Tesco mobile SIM and are within UK coverage. If you encounter issues, ensure roaming is off, or try resetting your phone's network settings. If the USSD codes don't seem to work, double-check that you've entered them correctly and that your phone has a stable network connection. As a last resort, you can contact Tesco Mobile's helpline at 0344 324 9222, although using the codes or app is typically faster. It's important to note that voicemail usage is declining overall due to the popularity of messaging apps. Tesco Mobile is exploring AI-powered voicemail transcription, which may eventually replace traditional voicemail. Currently, managing voicemail via USSD codes is a reliable option, but keep an eye out for future updates to the My Tesco mobile app for more integrated control. Remember that disabling voicemail means unanswered calls will simply ring or go to a busy tone without the option to leave a message.